Welcome to Celeb Scene Central. Late Jeopardy host Alex Trebek received a special gift for what would have been his 84th birthday. The longtime host, who died in November 2020 at 80, after fronting the quiz show for nearly 40 years, is now memorialized with a forever postage stamp. The United States Postal Service released it in his honor on his birthday, July 22. Each one features the same clue in the style that it would be delivered in the game. This naturalized U.S. citizen hosted the quiz show Jeopardy for 37 seasons. Scrawled along the bottom, upside down, is the correct answer: who is Alex Trebek? Jeopardy fans, stamp collectors, or anyone else who wants to have a smart-looking envelope or package, can buy the stamps for the standard 73 cents a piece, or a sheet of 20, made up to look like the show's iconic game board, for $14.60. The game show noted the significance of the day on social media Monday, showing the stamps and noting that 84 years ago today, a legend was born. Canada-born Trebek came to the United States after having worked at the Canadian Broadcasting Corporation in the early 70s. He hosted game shows for several years, including High Rollers and the cheekily named The Wizard of Odds, before moving to Jeopardy in 1984. Trebek's successor on the TV staple, Ken Jennings, spoke about the stamp and the late host's legacy in a clip shared by the USPS. "Jeopardy was always my favorite show growing up," he said from the set. "I ran home after school every day to watch the Smarty Pants on Jeopardy," and Alex Trebek. "For kids like me, he was almost like a symbol of knowledge and authority." At a Los Angeles ceremony for the official launch of the stamp, Trebek's widow, Jean Trebek, spoke. "His life had such a beautiful impact on so many people around the world," she said, according to People, "and it's just a real honor for my family and I to be here with all of you to acknowledge that." Alex would have felt overwhelmed with humility and joy to receive such a distinctive tribute. Alex Trebek stamps are available for purchase now.